Okay, and welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about cheap effects. More importantly, how to get the best practical effects that you can get very cheaply and kind of put something together. So, the first thing we're going to look at is these swim goggles I got from Dollar Tree. In Chrome City, the one of the main villains, Iron Knives, wears swim goggles. So I needed to get a pair of swim goggles, and I also got a toy knife. And with a little bit of super glue and some paint, then you actually get a $2 prop. And it was actually pretty effective in Chrome City. For definitely for $2, I was very happy. And the next prop I created, it was actually from a unused scene in Chrome City, but I created this creature out of a Pepsi bottle. Used Dollar Tree fake eyeballs because it is that time of year. And I used liquid latex and red paint, and also some cotton balls to kind of give it a little bit more of texture, things of that nature. But once again, I used leftover items and I came up with this little critter. It's not bad. I wish I was able to use it in the movie, but again, I was very happy with the outcome. In Chrome City, one of the villains, Iron Fists, wears a skin mask. In this case, instead of buying a mask, I repurposed an old Halloween mask that I bought maybe for $1, I believe. And I repainted it, painted like a skin color, added eyebrows to create a skin mask. And I cut out the nose and the mouth area, and it actually came out pretty well, in my opinion. And I got this skeleton bird also from Dollar Tree. It on the left, you see what it comes with. On the right is what I did with it. Red paint, liquid latex, painted the beak black. I filled out the stomach a little bit, and I used it in a stop motion sequence in Chrome City, and it was pretty effective because I only needed something with a little bit of articulation that I can literally animate. The moss spider, as we called it in Chrome City, was basically fake moss, also from the Dollar Tree. A skeleton spider, again, great time of year to stock up on these kind of things. You never know what you can do with them. So fake skeleton, I painted it. This one I kind of get a little. My mindset was like maybe this thing, because the forest or the wasteland or what have you is dangerous. Some of these animals are going to probably adapt to their backgrounds. So, again, a little bit of paint. Again, I did the legs like red and the rest of the body like green underneath the moss. Like, again, some kind of creature that would blend in. And I used it in two scenes, the same one, two different scenes in Chrome City. I was very happy with it. Again, $2 item, and the rest were leftover items of glue gun and leftover paint. There's a gag in Chrome City where somebody gets their eyeball poked out. So again, from the same bag of toy fake eyeballs I got from Dollar Tree, I went ahead and took one, glued some cotton. I unrolled the cotton and I glued the cotton, and then I covered the whole thing in blood. And it was, again, simple but effective. Reused items, so I'm not really counting that money-wise. Okay, in this one, it was a crushed head gag in Chrome City, and I had bought this styrofoam head for like $1 at a Goodwill in Orlando. The wig cost me $6 on Amazon. I painted the styrofoam head like a flesh color with liquid latex to kind of smooth it out. Put the wig on, and then after that, the gag was pretty successful. I was very happy with this one. Probably total cost for this gag maybe $7. And remember, folks, when you look at your script and you see what kind of effects you may need, if it's an effects-driven kind of movie, start looking around for household items or items that you can easily buy and kind of put together. It makes it more satisfying because you're actually, putting it together, and you'll know how it works and how it doesn't work when you need to actually use it. Hopefully you guys learn something. Like and subscribe, if you enjoy it, and share it. My main goal is to make sure that everybody at least learns a little something. Nothing wrong with that. Have a great day.